Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're looking for a standing desk, this might be the option that you're looking for. I wanted something that was modern and sleek, that operated well, and that took up a minimal amount of space. So this desk works perfectly for me. This is the maple and white color, so it's very clean and modern. It has one small drawer in the front, so that's sufficient to put pens or small pads of paper in, just to keep things neat on the surface of my desk. The thing I really love about it is the controls are right here on the surface of the desk. It has 3 memory settings, so you can set it to whatever height you want, and it's just one press of the button to get where you want it to go. It also has a locking feature, so you can lock it. You're not worried about hitting those buttons unintentionally. Another great feature is the fact that it has a wireless charging station for your cell phone. So while my phone is sitting on my desk, it's charging the entire time. It also has outlets and ports on the side, like a USB port. So if I needed to plug something in, I wouldn't have to plug it into the wall. I could simply plug it into the desk. This desk from ERGOMORE came well packaged and was relatively simple for me to put together by myself. However, it did require me to have the assistance of someone else to actually lift it up and turn it around. So it was too heavy for me to do by myself, so you will need another person for that last step. So all in all, I'm really happy with this standing desk. Whether I use it to stand or whether I use it to sit down, it's very convenient and adaptable to my needs. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I love the clean, modern lines of it. The color is perfect, but I especially love that wireless charging port right there for my cell phone, and the fact that it has the controls right on the surface. It's very modern and very sleek. I'm extremely happy with it, and that is my point of view.